Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how you can turn off notification alert sounds for your Instagram application. You may observe usually for any incoming message or Instagram video call, you will be alert with a notification sound or a ringtone. Let's see how we can stop them, how we can disable those alert sounds or notification sounds. On your Instagram account you can tap and hold, or there is another way you can also do that. Click on your phone settings, Android phone settings, and here click on notifications and status bar, and here these are all the installed apps on my phone, and we are now turning off Instagram notification sounds on Instagram. And see here, allow notifications is turned on. If I disable, there will be no notifications at all from this Instagram app. Or we can even furthermore customize this. We can turn it on and we can just off the ringtone, so there won't be any ringtone, but the phone will vibrate when we receive a message or when there is an incoming video call or audio call. And we can keep the ringtone, but we can turn off Instagram direct message, so if someone messages us, there won't be any notification. Likewise, we can turn off individual things. See, now I turned off for Instagram video incoming call. Yes, you can see all these and you can turn it off. Or if you don't want any sort of notification, simply you can disable notifications all at once. So I hope you like this tutorial, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.